Hello and good day. Welcome to the 2020 Fall Band Concert. Luckily, I still fit into my performance attire. This project was the hardest thing we have done in online learning in the band program. It's one thing to come to school every day and rehearse a tough piece of music for a month or two and then put it on stage and perform all together. It's a completely different thing to learn and record your own part individually with a backing track. The kids spent a ton of time and I made them redo takes a lot, and some got very frustrated with me, but I think the final product is well worth the blood, sweat, and tears that we put into it. It took a massive amount of time to edit everything together and clean it up and make it look nice for the video presentation. So I apologize for being just a little bit late. So you will see some of them in Christmas attire, even though I'm recording this on January 3rd. You're just going to have to deal with it. So please enjoy our first piece, just a 60-second long Japanese traditional called Sakura Sakura. This is our 7th grade band. It is great to see them playing together again. It's been way too long. Our next piece is performed by our 8th grade band, and it is a simpler arrangement of an old Bach chorale. We just call it chorale number 156. Enjoy. Our final piece for this performance is about 3.5 minutes long. It was a pretty big challenge for our kids to play. I don't think anyone was able to really phone it in, especially not having an hour of rehearsal every day. This is our concert band and symphonic band kids combined playing a Brian Balmage's piece called 3, 2, 1. I think it's supposed to be like a sort of countdown, so you'll notice like a kind of dark, ominous intro, and then it immediately turns into something a little more high energy. So this one's the big kahuna. Lots of time, lots of effort put in by your kids to make this happen. So congrats to them. Here it is. 3, 2, 1. I'm just so proud of all the students' performances, but especially the high schoolers. That's a fun thing to see, and I think it's honestly pretty impressive that they were able to put that together and learn how to record entirely individually. That's not something that we've ever learned in band, really, how to get high quality recordings of yourself. So thank you for the parents who have put up with a little bit more playing at home than they're probably used to. Thank you for the kids who were able to put in the time and record both your videos and your audio performances. And if you know any band kids, send them a congratulations, because this is something that they should be extremely proud of. So thank you for watching, and please have a great 2021.